Coach PJ here. It doesn't matter how old you are. If you're running a business, you are too young to not embrace the recent wave of artificial intelligence tools. In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, the AI has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing businesses all over the world. While, initially perceived as a tool exclusively for large corporations, AI is now proving really invaluable for small businesses too. AI offers small businesses an unprecedented opportunity to streamline operations, lower costs, and enhance the overall efficiency. Gone are the days when you had to hire an army of employees, and that was the way you scaled your business. With AI-powered automation, small businesses can now automate time-consuming tasks, freeing up that precious resource for growth and innovation. One of the most significant advantages for AI for small businesses is the automation of that repetitive tasks. It could be data entry, it could be customer support, human resources, marketing, inventory management, you name it. AI can handle these tasks efficiently and with minimal error. And this not only saves time, but also eliminates the risk of error, in enhancing productivity, accuracy. So you also have these AI-powered chatbots, which have become a popular tool for small businesses as an add-on to the customer experience. No one is suggesting that they will replace personal interaction, but these intelligent virtual assistants provide an option for routine requests and general inquiries that is available 24/7. AI plays a crucial role in analyzing, vast amounts of data and helping small businesses gain, the insights and make data-driven decisions. When you look at these large language models and these learning algorithms, they can identify patterns and trends within data and allow small businesses to optimize their marketing strategies, identify new customer segments, and refine product offerings. AI can really actually provide a lot of efficiencies to general business operations, email communication, marketing-related activities, research, and responding to proposals, to name a few. The AI tools that are being developed have the ability to learn the language of a specific business, as well as the needs of any specific client. Concerns over AI replacing human jobs are often raised. In reality, AI could augment human capabilities rather than eliminate them. And small businesses can leverage the AI technologies to empower your employees, enabling them to focus on higher value tasks that require critical thinking and creativity. This symbiotic relationship between AI and human intelligence gives an unbelievable opportunity for growth. The AI tools that were once too complex and sophisticated for the average person are now within reach of the average person. And the use of AI in small business is no longer a luxury, but a necessity for sustainable growth. And now is the time to embrace the power of AI, investing in learning, and being open to the possibilities in your business. If artificial intelligence is something that you're interested in learning more about, I have a number of ways to do that. We can jump on a quick call. We can get together for a coffee meeting. Or if you know that this is absolutely what you need and you want to get started right away, I offer a complimentary coaching session where we'll dig deep into your business, identify the opportunities, and put a plan in place to go forward. If you got value for this video, like, subscribe, comment below, helping you get the business you deserve, your business profit. Until next time.